It's going to really help the incident commanders to think about their situational awareness, which is really important for firefighters and incident commanders. So they need to be able to see what's going on all the way around. So they're going to be doing that.
You have the whole incident to view. You can walk through it, you can get around it, you can see the effects of what's happening either side of you and around about you.
The light training, obviously, there's an element of risk. We can do different scenarios in this at very low risk to the firefighters and to the incident commanders, and obviously the cost. It's a lot cheaper to run it in the Igloo than it is actually out on the fire field.
But if you just look at the environment you've got at the moment, we've got 1, 2 appliances, 3 appliances. So that's 3 appliances we don't have to provide and maintain. We've got members of staff. Depending on how many of those members of staff, again, those are people you have to provide and train and make sure are safe. Whereas all we need for this to work is the correct program, that we've got the software and the simulations correct, which we're getting really close to that now, and it's looking really exciting. You need the facility to be effective, so that's 1 person, an assessor, and the individual. When you guys arrived on site, made yourselves known very quickly. We went through the site induction with yourselves, and then very quickly you got to work.
It was up, we wanted it up by the end of last week, and by Friday we were actually a day ahead of time of what we were hoping to be.
All good and working within about 7 or 8 hours, so it's really good.
You've come down today to support us, to make sure it runs smoothly for this big event for us. Yeah, I'm very optimistic going forward and working with yourselves.